Hey, this is Philip with G6 Technology Services. In this video I just wanted to take a quick look at this battery backup that blew up. So what happened was this was installed at a customer's location and they were having some electrical work done, and apparently that electrician made a mistake when they were hooking up a new circuit and somehow managed to wire the outlet that this was plugged into for 240 instead of 120, and it went boom. So I don't know if you can kind of tell, but there's some soot on the top of this battery. You can't really see it too much, but it's there, and it's also on top of this battery backup. It kind of blew out all of the openings. So I already went ahead and opened it up. You kind of see some of the residue on the inside there. So the battery actually is still fine. It looks like it's not bulging, and I put a meter on it and it was still within the correct voltage range, so I'll save that. Might be able to use it for something. This thing's toast though. So before I throw it out, because it's not going to be covered under warranty for a fault like that happening with the building wiring, I just thought I'd open it up and see how bad the damage is, see if we can figure out what actually it was that exploded in here. So let me get my screwdriver and we'll crack this thing open. Alright, looks like there's 4 screws in here and there's one here. So we'll see what we have to do to get into here. Oh, there it is. Stuck to the screwdriver. I'll just throw that out. We're not putting this back together. So actually, something else to note, I was not made aware of that electrical work being done. I was just told that their battery backup stopped working. So I went to go take a look, and whenever I got there, the breaker was tripped. So I unplug everything, turn the breaker back on, just to make sure it's not a problem with the building wiring somehow. And as soon as I plug the battery backup back in, you can see sparks coming out of the openings at the top, and that breaker tripped instantly. So I knew that wasn't a good thing, and I was hoping it didn't fry the network switch that was plugged into it. But fortunately all the accessories were fine. It seems like this unit sacrificed itself and protected all the other things plugged into it. Ooh, if you could smell that. That is pretty strong. Alright, we don't need this anymore. Get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. Yeah, it's pretty smoky in there. Go ahead and clip some of this other stuff. I missed another one. Alright, ooh. Yeah, that is pretty sooty. Oh yeah, it blew a hole right through this MOV right here. Yeah, you can see daylight right through it. Oh, that smells so bad. It's very crusty. Look at all that. It's completely coated everything. Yeah, these wires are all covered in soot. This transformer's all covered in soot. Let me try and zoom in a little bit and get you a better look at that. Alright, here's a little bit of a closer look. You can see how badly this component was damaged and just how sooty all the rest of this is. That went a long way. Coated the whole side of all these components. Flip it around, you can see the shadow of where it missed. Yep. So yep, this was not a happy customer. So I guess moral of the story, make sure you have your important equipment plugged into some kind of protection device, because this very easily could have been a switch if it was right and straight plugged into the wall. And also, second moral of the story, make sure you're hiring qualified electrical professionals to do work on your home or business. So anyway, that's about it for this thing. It's toast. Back's not that bad. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little look at this blown up battery backup, and thanks for watching.